Epa, mi gente, aquí estamos en el segundo día de aquí del Sema Show aquí en Las Vegas. Espero que les esté gustando este contenido. Aquí vamos a estar viendo lo que es los Hoonigan. Hoy estamos, ayer grabé pero no pude grabar muy bien. Hoy tenemos un buen sitio para verlo, así que espero que lo disfruten, así que vamos allá.
More lively than yesterday's 11 a.m. crowd. So, has everybody been having a good time out at SEMA? Yeah, we have too. Hey, who was here for the first shows yesterday? Show of hands.
Okay.
Oh, not that many of you. Well, we broke a lot of stuff. Some cars caught on fire. An engine got grenaded, threw a rod through the side of the block, and then these boys went and swapped it and put a new one in for you guys today. Right here in the parking lot, all night. So, we got some action coming your way. So, who here knows what it is that we do out here? Anybody know what Hoonigan is even? Cool, like 6 of you, perfect. Well, we do some YouTube stuff. We do some other stuff. Mostly, we do a whole lot of burnouts, a whole lot of slides, and a whole lot of action with our dumb friends. So, I don't know, Wally, how are we looking on this show? What do you think? Couple minutes?
Oh, we got 2 minutes?
You guys want some free stuff while we just... I don't know, it doesn't sound like they want any free. Y'all want some free stuff over here? Or...
I'm gonna check the other side, Zach.
Yo, Corey, your side's always like so.
Hey, we got these boys fired up over here. Let's make some noise.
Bleachers, let me hear you. Come on. Are you awake? Ah, there we go. There we go.
Hey, I'll tell you this, Zach. This crowd compared to yesterday is already 100 times better. I think this is gonna be a wild one. I think this is gonna be a wild one today.
I think so too.
What? Oh, we got some goodies here. And by the way, we broke a handful of cars yesterday, but guess what? We called some of our friends up. We got 10 more cars that we brought out to burn up the yard. And some of these are some special guests too. So you guys are all in for a treat.
At this point, I'm really surprised we even still have friends left.
All right, so hey, Zach, since we do have a fairly new crowd out here today, we got to kind of give them the burn yard etiquette. Just a quick rundown on how this place operates. And a lot of this that happens in the burn yard is actually influenced by a lot of you guys. Some of these drivers out here, they may not be able to hear you, but they can definitely see you if they're not covered in smoke. The first things these drivers are going to look for is they're going to look for you guys to put your hand up in the air with that pointer finger. Everybody do that with me real quick. Get your fingers up in the air. What I need you to do is shake that finger at them, and what that is telling them is put that thing on the chip. Let's hear that rev limiter make that car sing. So if you guys want to see these drivers go a little extra hard, get that finger up in the air and shake it at them.
Here's another thing. If you see somebody slacking, if somebody is pussyfooting, you throw that X up. Everybody put an X up. All right, this means that you guys are not impressed and not having a good time.
They just suck.
And so that means we're going to either force them to park it right here on the K-rail and burn it to the ground, or we kick them out for life.
Yep.
That sound okay with you guys?
Never coming back.
Inevitably, we are here to make sure that you guys have a good time. So, I can't have a good time without a lot of action and a lot of noise. They can't have a good time without a lot of action and noise, and y'all can't have a good time unless these guys are burning to the ground. So, can I hear you guys? All right, all right, all right. Well, it looks like Danger Dan is in a Lamborghini that is definitely his. He is, yeah.
Yep, hey Dan, how's it going, buddy?
I'm surprised people give us things to drive at this point. Why don't we get this thing started off? Are we gonna do a little tandem action? Y'all wanna see some tandems? We got Danger Dan and we got our man Hurt back there. Man, I wanna see these things party.
Make some noise, burn yard! on that K24 swapped 180 SX. Woo!
Dang. I can't believe how much limiter those little Honda motors can take.
Yeah, Danger Dan!
Get it up there, Dan! Oh, yeah!
God, that Lambo. That thing likes to sing.
So we haven't actually started the show yet.
No, we
just did
haven't.
a little warm up, make sure everybody, you know, kind of knows what's going on. Hurt.
Oh.
This thing sounds extra crispy.
You like that?
I like that.
I don't know if they liked it though.
Y'all like it? I don't know, man. Put it on the chip real quick for him, man. Let me hear it again.
Hey, thanks for that, Zach.
Are you guys ready for some action?
Are you sure they want more? It doesn't really seem like it.
Do y'all actually want more? Sounds like it.
Danger Dan, you ready to burn down this Lambo?
It ain't mine. I mean, it's totally mine. So yes, I'm ready to burn it down.
You guys want to see Danger Dan burn down the Lambo? Woo! Oh, Hurt's fighting that gas. Everybody wave to Dan out there.
I don't know, man. I was thinking I'd like to see a little bit of that metal flake rubbed off on the side of that Lamborghini.
Oh, Hurt's car started making weird noises. Let's make some noise for Danger Dan and Hurt Live, Hoonigan Zone.
Oh, man.
Hey, should we start the show, Zach?
I don't know, maybe. Should we start the show, or?
Guys just going to sleep.
All right. One of these days, we're actually going to have like a legitimate way to actually start the show, like pyrotechnics and stuff, but they wouldn't let us have it this year, so, you know, whatever. But write your local SEMA representative. Tell them that we need pyrotechnics. I want to see fire.
Me too.
Think y'all do too. Y'all having a good time?
Hey, you guys over here having a good time? Hey, where's our LS fans at? Do you have any V8 fans out here? We got quite a few. Hey, if you're not an LS fan, we're going to try to make you one right now because this man right here is not afraid to throw down.
I cannot believe this truck still runs after yesterday. He was in both of our shows, burning it absolutely to the ground till the tires popped both times. Did not seem to heat soak it enough to really ruin it. So maybe we can ruin it here today. Would y'all like to see that? Y'all want to see this C10 buggy or what? Well, I do too. Why don't you send them on out, man?
You good, Wooly? Let's go!
This man woke up today and chose violence.
Giving the VIP a little treatment in the splash zone over there. Heads up, Zach! Woo! There it is. Where'd he go? He's still up there making noise. That's a good sign.
That's some good wheel speed there.
Oh, he's parking it right over there by the VIP, rolling it out to the center of the ring. Oh, he's gonna try to put it on the wall.
Coming wide, baby. Let's go.
Oh, he's gonna go from the containers all the way up to the other wall. And on the limiter, get those fingers in the sky, Sema! Woo! Zach! Whoa! My man! This almost took me out.
My God.
Let's make some noise, Sema! Against the K-Row!
Yeah! Oh my God.
And do a reversey! We got a reversey! My boy swinging that truck out there today. Zach, heads up! He's going for round 2.
This guy is a maniac.
Oh, he wants the wall, Zach. Woo! Smoke him out. Let's go, Hoonigan Barnyard. We got a show for you today.
Level daycare we like to see here.
Walk it up, walk it up, walk it up, walk it up, walk it up. Get your fingers in the air, he can see you guys.
Oh, it's gonna go!
Hey. Woo!
Keep it going!
Keep those fingers in the air, Sema! Our boy's gonna send it off to the wheel, here they go! Oh, they're coming apart! They're coming apart! Wow! Woo! He's on the wheel! Oh, it's apart! My man! Make some noise, Hoonigan Barnyard!
My God!
What a show!
God.
Make some noise! Hey, Sema, are you guys not entertained yet? Are you guys not entertained? Oh my!
You know, when we had our safety meeting, I told everybody that we needed a whole lot of violence this morning because, you know what? It's a little early for Vegas. I think this man came out and brought
Hey,
it.
we may have a fire underneath this. Hey, Wally! Hey, we got a fire underneath this thing.
It's all right. It's an old truck. It happens. Hey, who here's had their car catch on fire with a minute? This guy. Not a pleasant experience, but you know, it happens. So, y'all having fun yet? I said it, y'all having fun? Man, I am too. I like these shows where we can come out and start real aggressive and just keep it going. I think we're, oh man, what else do we got coming
Hey man,
up
that's
here?
a tough act to follow right there.
Yeah, it is. It is. Do you think? So, I don't know. Do you think somebody's going to be able to follow that up well? I don't know. That doesn't sound like a whole lot of confidence. I think we might have some people that can do it.
I think so.
Think we got a couple killers back there?
What's up?
Think we got a couple killers back there?
100%. 100%. See, what happens is by the more amp that you guys get, the wilder these guys get. So it's important for you guys to get those fingers in there and scream as loud as you can if you want the driver to go harder. If you guys are sitting there like little bumps on the log, guess what? You're gonna get a terrible show. So this is all influenced by you guys because these drivers are paying attention to you all. And if you guys are responding the way they want, you're gonna see some carnage, that's for damn sure. Uh-oh, looks like we got a, what, 350Z on deck?
We got a drifty boy
Is this
coming
boy
out.
gonna put it on the wall, Wally? Is our man's gonna put it on the wall?
Wally, make sure that that man knows that he needs to blow off every single one of these Hoonigan banners. I don't want to see a bumper left on that thing.
Front or rear.
Okay. Okay. The man has been given his instructions. Let's see if he can follow through. Y'all want to see him drag some bumper? I said y'all want to see him drag some bumper! All right then. Let's do it.
Send him out, Wally! Oh, we got an angry VQ in that thing. We got an angry VQ in that thing.
I think
Even though they may be one of the worst sounding motors, our boy, just like that, is gonna send it, right? My man is gonna send it. Woo! There's a tail light slider across the burnout. Oh, he's coming back. Woo! On the fence. Oh, he's ready to lose that bumper. He wants his walls back. He's chasing us like we're the target. Hey, we didn't do anything, man. Don't come after us. I didn't do it.
You can't stand on the thing. You can't pull it off if you're standing on it. There you go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay.
He's trying for it. Is he gonna get it?
Here, hey, Zach, I got something over here that might turn him up a little bit.
You got one up.
We got something for you, boss. I just got a mouthful of paint. Look, that thing doesn't have lead paint on it. Ah!
Everybody get those fingers up. Let them know you want that thing on the limiter. Oh, yeah.
Woo! On the chip, Sema! Yeah!
Wow.
There's my piano. God dang it. Guys, make some noise!
Wow.
Hey,
Yeah.
Zach, he kind of, I think he took note. Rear bumper, tail light's gone.
Yeah.
We got a puddle of coolant here.
A lot of coolant on the track today. It's good stuff. Good?
Good job, my man. Guys, give it up. Make some noise
Wow.
for your Burnyard drivers out here.
That thing doesn't sound like it's in too good a shape right now. Oh man, y'all having fun? Okay, I just gotta check in on you every now and then, right? You get a little quiet on me, I get worried.
Oh boy.
You are my children today. And I want my children to see terrible things. Oh man, we got a Pro 2 truck coming out. Actually, these are from our boys from Thermotech. You know, the best thing about having your race league shut down is that, you know, you can take your race truck and go do dumb stuff with it. So since... Oh, okay, cool.
We got something special for y'all.
All right. So yeah, basically Lucas, anybody know short course racing? I guess Lucas Oil decided to not be doing that this year. So now This 700 horsepower Pro 2 truck is gonna be a drift truck tonight. Y'all wanna see him burn those tires off? Do y'all wanna see this thing in action? Do you wanna see carnage? Do you want destruction? Okay then, Wally, I think the people need it.
Oh, this is a big boy coming out. Woo! She's angry.
That is a lot of RPM.
That's a lot of RPM. Set it and forget it.
You know, Corey, I'm not gonna go on a limb here and say that maybe these trucks are built to do this.
Hey, but you know what? This guy has about a 3-inch tread depth on this thing. It's gonna take him hours to pull them off. Oh, looks like the driver's getting out of the car. Let's make some noise when he gets out of this thing.
Damn. Man, these things party.
Put your hands together for Adam and the Thermotech Pro 2 truck. Hey, we got some goodies for you guys. And actually, let's have a couple questions with them, Zach. Yeah, hop on out.
Come on out, man. I'll drive it. You know, something tells me that maybe you've done that before.
Never.
Never.
Man, everybody give this man a round of applause. Now, obviously, these trucks aren't, you know, built to go on asphalt and just terrorize, but I mean, they do it pretty damn well, so.
Well, this truck loves to fly, and obviously, I'm smoking the tires. I don't even think I blew them out.
I mean, they're pretty bald on the back. You know, I don't think you got much tread left.
Well, I want to thank Hoonigans for sure. You guys having a great time? Yes, sir! Later on, for sure, the next show is even better, so you got to come back at 3.
You gonna come and throw down again?
If you guys let me, I'll come out here and cool it. Thermotech, we got some giveaways here. We appreciate everything. SEMA 2021.
Man,
make some noise.
Wait, we can give this out?
Wait, we're giving out some Thermotech stuff?
Man, hey.
Yeah, why don't you run around and give some of that stuff out real quick?
No, I actually use this stuff to cool, like to insulate all of my fuel lines and a lot of my electrical stuff.
All the Dash 8, Dash 10.
Especially the ones that go over your spark plug wires, man, because like you burn those up on LSs all the time.
Hey Zach, do you fit in this thing? We should throw that stuff out. We should hop in and see if we can fit in it. See, we don't need his helmet, do we? You guys want to see Zach drive this thing?
I ain't losing my job today, man. Maybe I will fucking.
Looks like we have a couple more cars on deck. We're gonna get you guys some of that Thermotech product. Out there supporting some race series, so big shout out to Thermotech and everybody else that supports these racers, man.
You guys having a good time? Man, let's give out some stuff over on this side. You guys
want some Hoonigan merch? Hey, Zach, I think this side was screaming a little bit louder earlier today.
I got one more hat.
Hey, who wants a Hoonigan hat?
I feel like this side's getting a little. Y'all got. Yep.
Hey, check out over here. Look at these guys over here.
Man, I didn't even realize we could get people back here. Oh, yeah.
I'll say this, Zach. We haven't seen anybody come over to the sitter pit over here yet.
Yeah,
I'd
nobody's
like to
actually
see somebody utilize this right here.
I would too. I
See
mean,
if this guy would want to do it.
I think he probably would.
Let's go.
Y'all want to see him use this little sitter pit? Maybe come in here like, I don't know, 150 mile an hour wheel speed or something? Yeah. I think he pretty much has to do it now.
Hey, who wants to see my man right here start off in a sitter pit over here? Get those fingers in the sky if you want to see him start off in the sitter pit. Let's go and roll on over there.
Let's see if we can get him to do a tip in too.
We haven't used, there's no tire marks on this or anything.
Is this thing got... Man, you rocking titanium exhaust on this thing?
All right, people. Hey, what's your name, my man?
My name's Jack Davis.
Jack Davis. What do you got under the hood on this thing?
Vortex Supercharged LS3,
How much power are you pushing?
631.
631 wheel horsepower out of LS V8. You gonna put on a center for us real quick?
We're gonna give it a shot. It likes to push the tires, but hopefully this metal helps us out.
All right, what if Zach and I hold you right here? Just kind of get a good lane on it. You guys want to see center? Yeah! All right, my man, go and fire this thing up. Zach,
we gonna hold him back?
Let's give him an assist.
We're gonna hold him back.
Chasing the banners out there. He's gonna go from wall to wall. There it is. Put it on the chip. Oh man. Bring it out wide! Woo! Oh, he's inching towards me! Walking it up by the VIP! Yeah! Hey, make some noise for your driver out here, Steve.
We're just gonna make sure there's not gas pouring out the back of his car. Probably cooling. Got that rear mount.
Man.
Anyway, y'all like that? Yes, sir. Thing sounds crispy.
Hey, we got some fresh marks though. That's what I'm more pumped about.
Oh yeah.
You guys want to see more sitters?
Yes, sir.
Me too. I'm with you. I'm with you on that.
I don't know, man. Do you think we should do sitters over there or up against the K-rail?
Right here.
Right here? Or right over there?
Right there.
I kind of like that idea.
Where's the rowdiest crowd? Because we're going to tell them that's where they need to do it.
I'm telling you, since day one, that side is the rowdiest.
Man, what is going on over here that everybody is so pumped? You guys want action? Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, looks like you got our dude Jeff Jones coming up. He's driving the Edelbrock 370s. He just finished up competing in the Formula Drift Series. Oh, that thing is
Yesterday,
rowdy.
he in fact blew his own doors off.
Oh yeah, yep.
The man literally left here missing a door.
I'll tell you what, man, once you get some of these drifters out here, just notice how precise they are with their driving. They actually started creating their own challenge to see if they can blow off each Hoonigan banner. So that's how we rate how well these guys are doing, is if every Hoonigan banner is blowing off, that's a perfect 10 points.
Exactly. It's not supposed to be a competition, but everything is a competition. So, you know, you guys want to see him blow these banners off? Yes, sir! And should we park one right here for a sitter?
Or should we park them right over here for a sitter?
Right here! This side is way better!
Zach, come on, come on!
All right, enough monkeying around. Let's get to partying.
Hey, Jeff Jones, show us what you can do in that Edelbrock 370Z. Oh, there's one! Making nearly 1,000 horsepower. Banner number 2. Oh, walking around, putting the VIP in the splash zone.
What gear do you think he's in? Dang.
Woo!
Dang.
Where's he at?
We're gonna go talk to this man real quick.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Or not.
Oh! Another banner down! We got 3 left! 3 left! Man, Jones is on a mission. He saw Micah Diaz yesterday, and he's gonna come back with some vengeance.
Jeff!
Jeff!
Man!
Oh, it's Raphael!
Oh!
Here, Jeff.
How can you see in that?
Bro, you don't need to see, bro. You just send it.
My man, hey, what gear were you in?
All of them.
My man. How's this thing running, man? It sounds extra crispy.
Wow, bro, she's real special. And if you noticed, I had to borrow Hertz Energy pizza wheel.
This man had to steal the wheel from our boy.
Hey, you think you could do a donut with your steering
Trailer.
wheel?
I locked my wheel in the trailer, so I had to get a little sauce.
Hey, Jones, do you want to get saucy? Can you do a donut holding your steering wheel out the window? Can you get saucy and do a donut with your steering wheel hanging out the window?
I think that can happen. We need to make that happen.
Can you get a little spicy for us? Let's get sketchy. Let's get a little sketchy.
Are we talking no steering wheel?
Yeah, just a donut with the no steering wheel, man. Come on. Can we scumbag a little bit? That's why we're here.
I think so.
We gotta scumbag a little bit. Oh God, I can't believe he's gonna do it. Oh, he got the steering wheel out the window. Yeah! Oh, Jeff is sketchy. That's sketchy. Ah! Oh my God.
Wow.
Why did we even think of that? Guys, make some noise for Jeff Jones in the Edelbrock Supercharged 370Z.
Jesus.
Oh man.
You know what? I noticed there's a lot of Chevy engines powering a lot of drift cars. A lot of cars doing burnouts. This one's definitely not a Chevy engine, but it's a Chevy body.
Oh man.
So these maniacs came all the way from Colorado. We've had them in a number of our shows. We've had them on our actual YouTube shows. This thing is wild. It started life as a Lexus LS400, so the chassis is from that, the engine is from that, and then they just kind of body swapped that old 55 onto it.
So it used to be naturally aspirated, and then it went single turbo, and they said, well, what's better than one turbo? How about if we put two turbos hanging right off the front?
I think that math adds up. What do y'all think? Yeah! You want to see this guy put it on the chip and put it against the wall? Yes, sir! Do you think it's going to blow up today? Yeah! I don't know, man. I think they should challenge him. Can you destroy that Toyota engine?
Hey, we got the boys at K-Series Parts holding it down, but we know Jay Caldwell is going to put on one hell of a show for you guys here in the burn yard. Ah! Woo! And Zach, there's no fiberglass on this car, so there's no easy fix.
No.
It's the old-fashioned hammer trick.
That's right.
Oh, Jake!
All steel body.
Woo!
Yep, that thing still parties.
Twin turboed, 1UC. Oh, he's mounted right now. He's not lifting. Sema, get those fingers in the air. He's going to put this thing on the rim. We got the wheel out the window. Oh, he still has it out the window.
We may have started something that's a little too dangerous, but I like it.
And it's still out the window. This man has not been driving with the steering wheel half the show.
I can't believe these things can stay on the limiter so long.
Good thing this is not a competition, Zach.
Yeah. Everything's a competition, Corey.
What, you want to put it on the fence? Right here? What? Man. All right, listen. I need you guys right here. Get your fingers in the air. You're looking at Jay Caldwell, ready to put it on the fence and put it up for you. You guys ready? Second gear. We got a casualty on the deck. Oh, he's on the car. He did a Houdini. Oh, look at that. And he appears on top of the vehicle. Make some noise all the way up from Colorado. Jay Caldwell in the K-Series.
Man,
monster.
you got a top fuel helmet? Is that so you can breathe in there? This man came prepared. How you doing, Jake?
Doing great.
Doing great, guys. Thank you for coming out. Well, let's hear it up for Hoonigan for hosting this awesome thing. You guys having fun? That's what I like to hear. Let's get the show going. What's up?
Hey, Jake, while you're up there,
Yeah.
Can you run over this thing real quick? Kind of like tell us what it is?
I mean, this is what happens when you just combine a few cars.
What cars are in this thing?
So the chassis is a 95 Lexus LS400. What you do when you get bored with one of those and you beat it up as bad as you beat this one up, you cut the body off and throw an old 51 Chevy on it. So that's what we got here.
I was telling Zach, there's not a piece of fiberglass on this thing, so to fix this quarter panel is what? A couple hammers and...
Oh, yeah. Get some chains, maybe borrow a forklift or 10, and we'll pull it out.
What we could do is probably go the other way and see if you can knock it straight.
Oh, yeah.
Just
beer can it next time. Okay. Yeah, we'll do that.
So you've been working with what, K-Series Parts and a couple other people put this thing together?
Yeah, absolutely. K-Series Parts really helped me get this thing together. We've recently put twin turbos on it. Last time you guys saw it, I believe it was naturally aspirated. You know, we went standalone and everything we did in-house, so we do a bunch of cool fabrication stuff, and they've really helped me bring this car really far away.
Hey, Sema, did you guys enjoy the show that Jake just put on for y'all? Let's make some noise for Jake Caldwell.
Yo, here's another thing, man. These guys showed up pretty late on, what was it, Sunday, and then helped us actually set this thing up because a lot of our guys got stuck because flights got canceled. So give these guys a round of applause. They came here for action. Man. They're the real deal. They even put in work. They picked up brooms. They helped us set up the canopy, everything. So, Wally's saying we got some more action coming out. Oh. You guys want to see some more? Was that no?
They're kind of. That's more
like like a no. Do you guys want to see some more action? Does this side want to see some more action? They sound like they lost a little enthusiasm.
Yeah, they did. You know why they lost enthusiasm? Because this side over here is now fired up. Do you know what? They fell asleep.
Now. This car, hey, you guys alive back here? Do you guys need some more action back in this vicinity? Understandable. Oh man, hey. Our man's here, came all the way from Canada, all the way from Toronto to do this. Brought a spare engine, 30 spare tires, like 10 wheels. Hold on real quick. My man, are you gonna send it?
I'm gonna fucking send it.
Hey, let's go. This is a family-friendly show, buddy. Send it, come on.
Hey, it's nice to see some.
That thing is moving so damn fast.
Peter's chasing the wall. That thing is boogieing today. Uh-oh. Man. Wow.
Yo, that thing is quick.
Hey, it's nice to hear something other than a V8. Our boy Peter came all the way out from Canada. He has a fully built 2JZ under the hood, single turbo, about 918 horsepower.
Yo, this thing gets down, man. You having fun?
Oh yeah, I'm having lots of fun.
You gonna do some more? Okay.
I'm sure those air intake temps are getting a little spicy right now. Batter down! Back to the front! Rowdy! It's getting rowdy in the yard. Man, let's make some noise for Peter all the way out from Canada. Hey Zach, the best part about these inline 6 turbos, if they're not running right, you just have to clutch kick it a few times and that ends up fixing it.
Oh, is that how that works?
It's an easy fix. It's an easy fix. Yeah, you just kick the clutch a few times and it'll fire right back up. Easy.
Man, there is so much rubber out here right now. I'm just like picking it up with my boots. It is crazy. So what's wild is, you know, the more we do this, the stickier this gets. So people are getting traction in places they ain't.
He was hooked. Peter was hooked up.
Yeah, that thing was big. Y'all like that? Yeah! That thing moves quick, doesn't it? Man. Oh, we got another killer. This man's put on, was he at both shows yesterday?
He did both shows yesterday, and he was the one challenging Micah Diaz on Removing all the banners from the K-rails. This thing is a supercharged V8 underneath the hood. Once again, almost the majority of our cars are making well over 600 horsepower. Easy.
Oh, well over. Well over.
Ben Hobson just came off the Formula Drift Series as well, completing out Pro Spec. Magnuson Supercharged LS, once again, right around that 800 horsepower range. He ccame out here to put on a show for you, SEMA. Are you guys ready for Ben Hobson?
Send him on out.
Make some noise, SEMA. Make some noise for my boy. Oh!
Let me tell you something.
What do you got, Ben?
This is for Carl. He gave me a brand new set of wheels. They're on the back right now. As y'all see, they're gold. I rock white wheels only, but I'm rocking some gold, and we are about to destroy these freaking battles, baby. Y'all get ready to see these things go down to the spokes, because we are taking them off.
Are y'all ready? Now I need you to make all the noise, because the louder you get, the rowdier he gets, and I want to see him put this thing on the wall. Are y'all ready? Let's go! Are you ready? All right, buddy. Stand there.
One right out of the ball. Two right out of the ball. Oh, yeah. Ben is on a mission. We got a bumper down. Track. Uh-oh. Wally's giving him the X. Hey, Wally, he didn't suck, though. Hey, Wally, come on.
Wow. Man, that thing boogies.
Dude, they are hooked.
Y'all like those wall drags?
Yeah, it only has really 2 more banners left. No, 3 more banners.
Hey, don't put it back out, bro.
Hey, they just want another wall ride.
Score up.
Look at the VIP's putting all the banners over there now because he wants to spend all the time over there.
I see. We good to go?
Oh, she just get a little hot. It's all right.
Yeah, let's go.
Yeah, you guys
Race
want more?
start.
You got Ben out there. Make some noise for Ben. He wants to do another show for you guys.
Oh, yeah.
Back to the VIP. And it's gone. Just gave that man a taste. Oh, he's going for the corner. We got a tail light hanging out. Ben's not stopping. Walking out, Ben. Oh, just dancing at the lower RPM. Dancing into the pit. Looking for the crowd. He's looking for you guys right now. He's calling you out. Oh, Wally's out there now. There they go! Ben Hobson taking the car down to its Motegi wheels. Oh, we got fiberglass confetti everywhere.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up! Damn! Damn!
Ben, you animal! And hey,
Y'all like that? Yeah!
Just a little body work. We got your bumper, Ben. What other parts can we get off this thing? Man, this thing's rowdy.
Oh, you giving out souvenirs?
A little Burnyard souvenir for you all. Hey, that's the gift that keeps on giving right there.
You know the deal. The louder you get, the better your chances of getting this.
What about this side? You guys want a Burnyard souvenir for Mr. Hobson? Hey, this side over here is spicy. Let's see. Look at that guy with the towel on his head. Let's go give to that guy right there. There you go. Leave it with the Burnyard souvenir.
Man.
Hey, how was that? How was that ride?
My man knows how to drive.
Oh, my man knows how to drive. Way to go, Ben. Nice work, buddy.
Well done,
Man.
sir.
Hey, also we got this for you, Ben. Do you want us to give this away too, Ben? We got a bumper. Does anybody want a bumper? Whoa.
That's so drift car.
Coming out there.
Man, look at that thing just it's waving you goodbye with that rear tire. Oh man, y'all have fun at the show today?
Oh my God.
Yeah, this is a good way to open the day. I feel
Wally, what do you
now.
give me the one finger for? What does that mean? What are you trying to tell me, Wally? Oh, we might have one more?
That D coming out?
Why is this thing hissing at me? My God.
Is that Dogmaster in the passenger
Wait, we got
seat?
Dogmaster riding shotgun in this thing? Oh, you guys got a treat. You guys got a treat. Come on. All the way out from the Bay Area, man. This guy puts on one hell of a show. He ended up blowing up his radiator yesterday, Zach. And,
Yeah, that's right.
Sounds like he had one flown in last night.
That's right, another parking lot swap. Radiator's a little easier than an engine, but you know, he came here to party. So y'all want to see this action or what? I said, do y'all want to see some action? This is our last one for this show, so you better get those fingers high in the air if you want to see them burn it all the way down. So are you ready? Are you ready?
Let's give it up. Oh, this side over here?
This side over here. I can't hear you. There it is. Wally, send them on out.
Let's make some noise for Cruise Garage and Dogmaster!
No idea how that 220,000 mile LS1 is still breathing.
Hey, we talked about that yesterday. Hey, just throw more boost at it, Zach. Throw more boost.
That's right.
Oh, he's in position.
It's got a
Man, the
3
thing
inch
looks angry just staring at us like this. Man, please, hey, Steve, don't do it to us, man. Don't do it to us. All right, here we go. First gear. Second gear. Can we get third? Can we get third? Get me a third. Third gear. Fourth gear. We're well over 100 mile wheel speed. Rolling it out to the center of the Burnyard. Dogmaster giving him more rest. He got a gas mask on. He's holding it down. Woo! Let's go, D!
Good God.
Back to second gear, on the pipe. Get your hands in the air for dudes and songs. my boy just lost a tire. Oh! These garage getting up the party. Ah!
Yeah!
Real! And
Give
turns
it
it
up!
off. Oh my! Make some noise for D's Garage and Donkmaster
David! David! You are an animal, sir. I love that you brought the gas mask out, by the way.
Yeah, I had to do that, man. I had to do something different.
You know, that means you came prepared. This man came out here with a gas mask in his car, so you know he was going to do this from the jump. That's what I like about you, man.
Always, man, I gotta throw down. It's all for fun and enjoyment. I really don't want to go see how that side looks because I just got it painted and wrapped. I don't even want to look at that side.
I'm gonna go look at it for you and let you know.
Hey, when D's put on his gas mask, I saw Donk look over and goes, hey, where's mine?
I didn't have no gas, man, but it was fun, man. I appreciate the Hoonigan burn, y'all, man. I had a great time, man. Thank you.
Man, well, we appreciate you coming out. Hey, who thinks we need to scumbag him into bringing the Z06 Donk out here? Woo! You want to put that little 2,500 horsepower one?
I got to think about it, man. I might do it tomorrow, just one time, 1 or 2 times. I might do that tomorrow.
Man, let's give it up
my
for
man. Hey, who's coming back for our shows at 3 o'clock and tomorrow? Wow. Well, ladies and gentlemen, we appreciate all y'all coming out. That is the show for the 11 o'clock. We'll be back in a few hours. Do this all again with more cars, with more carnage, with more destruction. Thank you!